If you need to reinstall WordPress from your Bluehost CPanel, this tutorial will walk you through the process step by step so you can get a fresh WordPress installation up and running quickly. This is especially helpful if your site is broken, you want to start over, or you simply need a clean install on your Bluehost hosting account. Before we begin, make sure you know which domain you want to use, and if there is anything important on the current site, back it up first so you do not lose any content by accident. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy WordPress tutorials. Alright, let's jump into it. First, log into your Bluehost account using your normal username and password. Once you are inside your Bluehost dashboard, look for the option to open cPanel. Bluehost usually makes this easy to access from your account area, so click through until you reach the main cPanel interface. Now that you are in cPanel, look for the WordPress section or the Softaculous apps installer. Depending on your Bluehost layout, WordPress may be listed directly or it may appear under the software tools area. Once you find it, click WordPress to continue. This will take you to the installer where you can manage or install WordPress on your hosting account. Next, choose Quick Install. This is the fastest and easiest way to reinstall WordPress because it walks you through the setup without requiring a lot of manual configuration. After selecting Quick Install, you will need to choose the domain where you want WordPress to be installed. If you have more than one domain connected to your Bluehost account, make sure you select the correct one so WordPress installs in the right place. After that, enter your site name. This can be changed later, so do not worry too much if you are just setting things up quickly. Then enter your admin username and password. Be sure to choose a strong password and save your login details somewhere secure because these credentials will let you access the WordPress dashboard after installation. Once all the fields are filled in, click Install. At this point, Bluehost and the installer will begin setting up WordPress for you automatically. Depending on your hosting environment, this may take a few moments, so just wait for the installation to finish. Do not refresh the page or close the browser too early because you want the process to complete fully. When the installation is done, you should see a confirmation message along with your new WordPress login information or dashboard link. From there, you can log in and start rebuilding your site, installing your theme, adding plugins, and restoring your content if needed. That is how you reinstall WordPress from your Bluehost cPanel in just a few simple steps. It is a fast process, and once you know where to click, it becomes much easier to manage your website. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next WordPress guide. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.